His sponsors are Darkside Designs. Number 9 spot belongs to Brandon Nichols, Jackson, Michigan. His sponsors are PSI Racing, and thanks to my dad, Roy Dollier, in the number 8 spot from Jenison, Michigan. His sponsors are Proving Ground Raceway. Number 7, Colton Cruz from Granger, Indiana. His sponsors are P-Hub Racing, Factory RV Surplus. Special thanks to Peyton, the Regaitis, and Nankin Hobbies. Number 6 is Nick Max. Number 5, Ed Patterson. Number 4, Mike Murray from Rockford, Michigan. Number 3, James Ropp. His sponsors are Kyosho America, Peak, Jake Concepts, AMS, FTMS, Splat Graphics, and AKA. Number 2, Chris Mockerman from Grand Rapids, Michigan. His sponsors are Associated, Weedy, and LRP. My TQ tonight for Masters and Stock. He's cheating. Apple Head from Belmont, Michigan. His sponsors are Robinson Racing, GS Racing, Pironi Option Team, Diggity Designs, Color Concepts. Special thanks to Troy and Jeff from Phantom. My marshals are in place. We got some marshals. We got some drivers. Drivers ready. Less than 5. Apple Head moves them around the sweeper. A little cleaner, nice clean start. As Apple Head slides them into the infield, followed by Mockerman, Ropp, and Murray. Stayed out pretty nice. Little battle in the back here of the pack here. And Vanderloon. I think that's Vanderloon. No, I don't know who that is. Skip a little. Alright, Apple Ahead, leading down the sweeper with Mockerman and Ropp in tow. Oh, Applehead makes a mistake. That's going to let Ropp into it. Oh, Murray scoots in there, takes over the lead. Ropp squeezed out as Apple pushed him aside, takes over second. With 1, 2, and 3, put a blanket over him in the infield, going through the S's. Mockerman in the orange and yellow leading the way. Applehead, will head to the oh, they all clear the double. Ropp with some problems. Mockerman, Apple, Ropp, Mike Murray, Ed, Nick, Brandon, Roy, Colton, and Matt at the 1:15 mark of race number 12. The stock truck A main. Mod Short Course, race number 13. You guys are on deck. But my battle, Applehead, moving back to the front, gets around Mockerman while I'm looking elsewhere. As they head to the driver's double. A single, Apple singles it, Mockerman doubles. Closes in, Mockerman's going to look inside, can't make it stick as he heads to the sweeper. Applehead around the sweeper. James Ropp starting to close a little bit, quietly making his way back into that race. With 2 minutes down in race number 12. Applehead leading the way, followed by Mockerman and Ropp. Nick Max now up to 4th. Roy, Ed, Mike Murray, Brandon, Colton, and Matt. Applehead, singles. Ropp takes a chance, makes it. May have lost a little space there. Applehead lead them around the sweeper. Just a little wide, holds on to it. Mockerman and Ropp go head to the infield.
I know, because that one
That battle still to the lead. McIntosh single, Mockerman doubling. Didn't seem to make up much that time. There's my leaders in the sweeper. Mockerman only about maybe half a second back. Oh, Ropp makes a mistake in the infield. Falls back a little bit, holds on to 3rd. Applehead leading the way for the double. Singles it. Mockerman clears it again. As they head around through the short shoot, heading down the sweeper again. 3:30 down in race number 12. Apple, Chris, James, Nick, Mike, Roy, Brandon, Matt, Ed, and Colton. My running order. Yep. I hope my truck is intact and ready to go. Randy. We're closing on the 4-minute mark of race number 12. Ooh, I've got a battle forming. Oh, wait a minute. Markerman must have made a mistake because Rob moved up into second, I believe. I missed that accident. Rob to second. Markerman back to third. They're spread apart now. Applehead with a 3.5 second lead. Rob making a mistake. Doesn't cost him. This will make it hard to catch the leader now. With 35 seconds left to go. Apple ahead, James and Chris Knockerman is my running line with Nick Max lurking, maybe closing in there. Yes, he is. Nick Max, he has 20 seconds. He's going to have one more lap to make some noise here. As Applehead crosses the loop and heads to the infield. Rob and Knockerman, couple seconds out. Rob gets out wide. Knockerman takes over second. Rob pulls on to third, but Nick Max is right there with 4 seconds left to go. When you cross the line, you are done. So my battle right now is Knockerman and Rob. As Applehead, as long as he doesn't make a major mistake, has this one in hand.
Go Apple, go!
Knockerman and Rob. Rob takes a chance. Moves it. Moves third. No, he's not. As Knockerman comes in second. Applehead takes the win. Rob pulls on to third with Nick Max in fourth. That's a race, drivers. Applehead takes that one, followed by James, Chris, Nick, Mike, Roy, Ed, Matt, Brandon, and Colton.